been a long time. You know, when we first met Chris from the EPP course, the Education Patient Programme course, she talked about distraction techniques and different things, but I felt quite low in confidence, you know, and deaf people couldn't really, you know, understand what to do. And we thought, well, we need to have something visual, like a video, so that people will understand.
Everyone in the deaf community is so grateful for this DVD. It helps them relax, and they suffer with such stress and things, and we realised after we had actually made the DVD how important it was for them.
I can't believe we've won. It's really good for the deaf community, you know, to show that we can be successful as well, and that we've got access on an equal basis with hearing people. I feel really emotional about it. I can't believe that we've achieved it.
And when they called our name, I think we were all a little bit, what? But yes, thrilled to bits, absolutely honoured.